Good morning, all of you watching on YouTube or whatever platform you're watching this on. It is a wonderful day today. Look how pretty it is. It is such beautiful weather. It is blue skies, perfect temperature. And we thought, what's a better way to celebrate the good weather than actually going on a biking trip to an island because it's such good weather today. We are here in Takamatsu. We're getting a ferry and going to be going to an island called Naoshima, which is famous for its art. There's a lot of art museums, a lot of art there. So excited to go see that. Haven't experienced it before. We went to the store today and I actually picked up these new waffle chip fries that I'm excited to try out. So I'll let you guys know how these are. But what planned for today is that we are going to go buy our tickets to go ride the ferry. Ferry is about a 40-minute ride to the actual island. We brought a little lunch. We're gonna have a little picnic on the island, and then we're gonna bike around and show you guys what there is to see, because this is a very touristy spot. The Kagawa area is very famous for udon, but also for a lot of art. And so we want to bring you guys along. So if you're deciding to come down to this part of Japan, you now have some expectations to know and some good places to go try out and look while you're down here.
We actually bought a new car this week, so I think it's funny that we're celebrating buying a new car by riding our bikes around like peasants.
Or peasant. Those are curious what kind of camera I'm using today. I'm using the Insta360 RS, which is an interchangeable camera where you can switch out the lens for both a GoPro type lens or even a 360 lens. Today I'm using a 48 megapixel lens for my camera just because it's a pretty wide open lens and just looks really good quality. Also, stabilization is very good with this as well. If you're thinking about getting a camera for traveling, this is definitely a top camera that I would say you want to get for sure. So we just got to Naoshima and we're biking around, and there's some cool places. There's the red pumpkin that right when you get off the ferry, there's this red pumpkin that's really cool to look at. You also have this cool, I don't know what to call it, like a spider cage white thing that's really cool.
For all the art installations, I haven't noticed this really in America, but people in Japan are really good about making a line at every single art installation, because they understand that when you get a picture at one, you don't want a bunch of people in your shot. So they're really considerate about getting in line, waiting their turn, and then getting in, getting their picture really fast, and then moving right along.
And it's just a really quiet, chill city. We found this cute little area where it's right next to the ocean. There's no wind or anything. They have this cool little display of a name over there. If you're gonna come to this island, definitely bring a bike or rent a bike, because maneuvering around on a bike makes it so much easier, because if you come with a car, you're not really able to just stop, park, and jump out to enjoy things. But with a bike, you can go at your own leisure. As you can see, people biking over there. So we had a cute little picnic now. We're going to continue going down to see what we can explore.
Art.
Just got done with going into the museum, and I gotta say, that museum was the biggest waste of money we had. It was $21 or 20.
Okay, can we clarify? Neither of us are fine art people. I went to school for science. Logan does video.
I do video, but I do web design, so I know that kind of art stuff. But we have a friend at home in America who does art, and I feel like she could do all of that easily.
I don't understand modern art. I don't get it. It's just a black square on the wall, and it's I paid $20 to look at a black square on the wall.
Yeah. So definitely if you guys want to be emotionally moved, want to Go and spend time in each room. There's 3 different rooms. There was a silence room, there was a meditating room, and then there was a shadow room.
Remember, we couldn't take pictures. So this is kind of like what you're gonna see.
Yeah, these 3 things. So that is the wrap of our day. I would say it was just pretty fun. Did you enjoy it?
I had a good time.
It was really fun biking around.
But the hills were stupid.
The hills were very hard, for sure. I'll make a little illustration about the route we took so that if you guys want to avoid those hills, then you can just go straight through the middle. If you do want to go see the places that we saw, then you can go up those hills and get a good workout. This island's really fun and has a lot of cool art places. I just wish that we had purchased some of the tickets beforehand, before coming. Anyhow, thank you so much for watching, guys. It always means a lot to us. We want to show you guys the cool adventures of this wonderful country we live in. So, as always, share this with your friends and family. And if you have any questions, make sure you leave them down below. We will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.